Hello friends, you are looking at the demonstration of how to use MLA Citation Producer. This demonstration is prepared by TechnoWrites Private Limited. The objective of this video is to help you understand how best you can produce citations without any hurdle whatsoever. Through this demonstration, you will be able to learn how to generate citations for books, websites, journals, newspapers, and magazines. Before we start with the introduction, let us first go to the web page of MLA Citation. For this, you will need to open a new browser window and then type www.citationproducer.com in the address bar and then press enter. This is the web page of Citation Producer. You will see that the MLA citation style is already open on the home page. If it is not, simply click the MLA citation tab at the top left corner of the window. The MLA citation page now opens. MLA is short for Modern Language Association. MLA style is the most commonly used style to write papers and cite sources within the liberal arts and humanities. The MLA style states guidelines for formatting research papers and using the English language in writing. It also provides the writers with a proper system for referencing their sources through the parenthetical citation in their essays and works cited pages. Most importantly, the use of MLA style can protect writers from accusations of plagiarism. The MLA Citation Producer tool specializes in automatically creating the citation for your papers in the MLA format. On the screen, you will notice that this tool enables you to generate citations for books, websites, journals, newspapers, and magazines. First, let's take a look at how to produce a citation for a book. Enter the title of the book in the Enter Book Title field. Click Enter. The MLA book citation page opens. On this page, you will need to review and edit the information for every source. Every source will require different information. You can generate the citation for the entire book or for a chapter or section in the book. First, let us generate the citation for the entire book. From the drop-down list in the citing field, click Entire Book. The title of the book is already present. Go to the authors of the book field. Type the first name of the author in the first name field. Enter the last name of the author in the last name field. If there is more than one author, click the Add Author link and enter the name of the second author. In the publisher field, enter the name of the publisher. Enter the name of the city of the publisher in the publisher city field. In the published year field, enter the publishing year of the book. You can give additional information like volume and edition of the book in the citation. In the volume field, enter the volume number of the book. In the edition field, enter the edition number of the book. Select the medium of the book by selecting a proper radio button corresponding to the desired medium. First, let's see how this citation will look if the medium is chosen as print. So select the print medium and click enter. The citation for your book is successfully generated. You can click edit to make any changes. If the medium of the citation is web, choose the radio button corresponding to web. Enter the website address in the website address field. Click enter to generate the citation. You can see that the changes are incorporated in the citation. If the medium of the citation is an electronic book, select the radio button corresponding to electronic book. Enter the website address in the website address field and click enter to generate the citation. Now, let us generate a citation for a chapter or a section of the book. Click the drop down arrow in the citing field. Click chapter or section. Two fields appear. Enter the title of the section or the chapter in the section or chapter title field. Enter the pages in the pages field. Fill in the other details and click enter. The citation for a chapter or a section of the book is successfully generated. Now, let us see how to generate a citation for a website. Click the website link at the left-hand side of the window. The MLA website citation page opens. Enter the title of the web page in the page title field. Enter the title of the website in the website title field. Enter the first and the last name of the author. In the publisher field, enter the name of the publisher. In the when was this website published/created field, click the drop down arrow and select the month of creation. In the day field, enter the date, and in the year field, enter the year of creation. Similarly, enter the month, day and year in the when did you use this website field. Type the website address in the website address field. Click Enter to generate the citation. The citation is generated and displayed on the screen in front of you. You can edit any entry by clicking Edit. Now, let us see how to generate citation for a journal using this tool. Click the journal link at the left-hand side of the window. The MLA Journal Citation page opens. Enter the title of the article and title of the journal. Enter the author's name, year of publication, and number of pages. Enter the volume and the issue of the journal if applicable. Select the medium of reference by clicking the radio button corresponding to the desired medium. Click Enter to generate the citation. The citation is now generated and displayed. Now, let's create a citation for a newspaper. Click the newspaper link at the left-hand side of the window. The MLA newspaper citation page opens. Enter the name of the article in the title of the article field. Enter the name of the newspaper in the title of the newspaper field. Enter the name of the city in the city of the newspaper field. In the author's field, enter the first and last name of the author. Enter the month, date, and year in the published date field. In the section field, enter the section number of the newspaper. Similarly, in the edition field, enter the edition number. Enter the pages in the pages field. Select the medium of reference by clicking the radio button corresponding to the desired medium. Click Enter. The citation is generated and displayed. Now, let's see how to generate a citation for a magazine. Click the magazine link at the left-hand side of the window. The MLA magazine citation page opens. Enter the name of the article in the title of the article field. In the name of the magazine field, enter the name of the magazine. Enter the author's names, published date, and pages as usual. Select the medium by choosing the appropriate radio button. Click Enter. The citation for magazine is created and displayed. So friends, this is how we generate citations using the MLA citation producer. Go ahead and try generating a few citations for yourself. Have fun. Good luck.